Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Sonic here. Okay, we are on a week number 22, 2018. It is on around 30th of May. All right, how are you guys doing? Sorry that I wasn't available recently because of the some health issue with my family. Okay. Anyway, but anyway, I'm still on the Telegram. I'm still on the Facebook. I'm still on the Trading View. Giving my best to give you guys a guidance on the movement itself. This week it have been very good. We managed to have a very good run on the Euro sell down, especially EURChf and EURGBP. All right, if you guys follow our Telegram, you should be able to follow along as well. Okay, so we as a personally, as our so-called our account, we are nearly up 4,800 pips in total for this month. So I think this is one of our best milestone so far. Okay. Anyway, so today is Wednesday, so we still got a few more days to go. So let's talk about what is coming up. All right, as you can see, we have BOC, Canadian related, and CHF related will be coming up today. All right, the later part of today, and we also have non-farm payroll on Friday. So I think this is gonna be like a big movement on that day as well. So in general, the week is stay young to me, and we still can have quite a bit of movement on the later week as well. All right, so let's do the analysis here. So first, I would like to go through the gold here. Okay, gold, no doubt we are still pretty much on the downtrend. All right, we are still pretty much on the downtrend, but there's certain things I would like to warn you guys out. Okay, because currently, even though they are in a downtrend, the price have been quite resilient. All right, they are not really that bearish. They are kind of like kind of defending the price. So I will want you to watch out this a few level. Let's say, like, for example, like for support, okay, 1288 to 1293 level. I am thinking that this level might be a good support level. So that means that if the price ever go there, they can bounce up from there. Okay, and of course another ultimate one is somewhere around 1278 level. Personally, I have a small short at the moment ready, but I am also watching it closely because market is not entirely bearish at the moment. Okay, so I hope you got what I mean. I want to give you two level, 1288 to 1293 level, and another level is 1278 level. Let's say if you go down further, go to this level, this is where you may want to take your profit out and stuff like that. Okay, so this on my goal. Okay, another one I would like to talk about is DAX. Okay, I'm kind of late already talking about these guys, but I hope you can see from my my trading view report. We have been telling for the bearishness, and it really come in our favor. It's really running rather pretty well. Okay, in my opinion, the DAX can fall slightly minimum slightly lower first. I think they will go back to this congestion level, which is around 12500 level. So like currently is 12630. Of course, I agree that it already fall quite a distant already, right? It have already fallen quite distant already, but I mean it can go down further in my opinion. Okay, I think, like, let's say it's a 12500 mean, we are talking about maybe like another 150 to 130 point drops. Okay, so it's better to stay on the short side as well. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about. Another one is I would like to update on the EURChf. If you remember, or if you follow closely, I make a call during around this period, I mean around 1.19 level. So currently it's around 1.14 plus minus, so we are being right somewhere around. Okay, sorry, we have a bit of noise. Okay, anyway, I make a call around 1.19, so it's around 1.14. We are on the money around 500 pips. Actually, basically, I have already closed, and the price also, I mean the price action also currently like the same. So if you are looking for a short right now, I would say a little bit late in my opinion. Okay, that would be nice, if let the price, because we have a lot of late people who want to short it out at the later level. So these guys are panic right now already. So what, I think the market will go up further up first to with this fella out. I think easily the market should go back to around like 1.15 level or 1.153 level. So if you are shorting right now, you are taking too much risk in my opinion, because market setup become too obvious. So to conclude, Euro CHF, I'm stay bearish, but I want to wait at the higher price for a better entry. My thinking is somewhere around 1.15 to 1.153 level or even higher. So I'm waiting. I've already taken my profit out already. Okay, last but not least, I would like to talk a bit on this guy. Okay, Aussie, right? Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc also is quite similar. All right, Aussie Swiss franc also quite similar. Okay, they have, they try to go all the way down, but they sort of like, hanging stay hanging on the near to the support level. But I do not think they will go way above 0.7524 level already. Okay, I think they will go maybe as high as 0.74 level. This is where this is where you should be waiting, and this is where you may want to initiate the short trade position. Of course, if it is work out well, I think they can go further to 0.734 or even 0.731 level. So I'm talking about minimum 100 pip plus move maybe in the making. All right, so thank you for watching. So just to recap a bit, I have talked about gold. Yes, gold is bearish overall, but there are certain things like 1288, 1278. They are quite can be quite supportive. All right, DAX stay in the bearish mode, and Euro should be stay in the bearish mode in my opinion. It can go much more. It can sell down much more lower. It's just that if you're entering now, you must know that you're taking a lot of risk because it's very obvious right now, right? So everybody can see. That means you're entering now, also you're following them as well, which is not nice. The better choice will be let them pull back a little bit. Then this is where you want to enter enter the trade. All right. Okay. So all the best, and thank you very much for watching, guys.
All right, and over my end, I'll be talking about one indices and two euro pairs. All right, so the first one I'll be talking about would be Nikkei. Right, so we have Kuroda speaking, I think in tomorrow's Wednesday, 30th of May, I think in the morning. All right, but okay. So what will be my view on Nikkei after his speech? All right. So what I'm seeing is that Nikkei still has some potential to drop further. So long as this 23,000 resistance level holds, I'm seeing that price could go down towards the next support level at 22,000, or even better, if it breaks this support level and reach the next support level at 21,250. All right. So we have two support level over here which we could look to TP, but the first one would be, again I repeat, 22,000 and 21,250. Okay. Generally, my bias on this is so long as 23,000 resistance level holds, I'm seeing that the pairs could make more downside. Right, so which means that XXXJPY should have some, could drop even lower. All right, because they are somehow correlated. All right, up next would be the both euro pairs that I'll be talking about that shows very nice selling opportunities with a low risk entry. So price retrace back into our resistance level after it breaks on last week. So yesterday's candle shows up with a very nice bearish pin bar, alright, with very strong rejections. Even though in the early start of the day it went up as a very big bullish candle. Okay, so I see this as a very strong rejections at this 1.52 level resistance level, and I'm seeing price could still go down even lower. Alright, so with the weakening of euro across the board, even though Canadian is also a pretty weak currency to match it up with, the chart shows me that we have some rejections coming in, which makes euro much more weaker than Canadian. Alright, so my TP area would not be quite far away. Alright, it will just be at the next support level at this 1.49 level. Okay, so this is my view on Euro Canadian, which I see it has a pin bar and a resistance area, which give us a very good shorting opportunity. Alright, structurally wise, we are also in a very bearish structure with all the trenches above the current price. And then the next one that I see that has a very nice trading opportunity would be Euro to GBP. So Euro to GBP, we can see that price is making some kind of a lower low, and it's in a very sideways movement, alright, for some time already. Alright, it has not made its big move like this kind of strong sell down. Okay, but what we are seeing now is that we have this kind of three rejection candles showing up at this resistance area, with yesterday's candles selling quite aggressively. So I am looking at more downside to it. Of course, it might take some time for it to sell down, but generally this is my view on the EG with, because euro is weakening, so we could possibly see it go down even more. Okay, so this is all my views on the both euro pairs and the Nikkei. So yeah, watch out for the Japanese news tomorrow. We could see Nikkei drop much further. Alright. So this is all over our end, and thank you for watching our weekly videos.